Hello guys, welcome to SemTechHub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can use your Binance account to purchase or buy airtime or data bundles in your country. So before we get started, you have to open your Binance account. So I'll click on my Binance account. If you don't have an account yet, you can download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, then you register an account. But for those who have an account already, you just have to click on your Binance app. After that, you click on your wallet, this part. When you click on the wallet, you click on funding. After that, then you click on pay. When you get to this page, then you click on top up, mobile top up. This page will appear. So this is the place you buy the airtime and the bundles in your country. You can click here to select your country. Maybe you are in Nigeria or United States of America or Ghana or UK. You select your country. After that, you enter your phone number here. You can also decide to purchase for someone, so you click on this icon, then you select the person you want to purchase the airtime for. So let me enter my phone number here. Okay, so after that, I'll select the network provider. I'm using Vodafone, so I'll click on the Vodafone Ghana. If you're using Airtel Tigo, you click on the AT Ghana. If you're using MTN, you click on the MTN Ghana. For now, I'm using Vodafone, so let me click on the Vodafone Ghana. Then you select the amount you want to buy, or maybe the bundle plan you want to purchase. So if you want more of this, you can click the more to get a lot of. So this is more of the amount you can buy, more of the airtime you can buy. You can choose to buy 1,000 cedis airtime using 99.15 USDT, or you can choose to buy 50 pesos using 50 pesos at a time using the 0.06 USDT. So you go back. If you want to purchase the bundle plan too, you click on the more, then you select the one you want to buy. So if you want to buy browser daily for 1 CD, you pay 0.1 USDT. If you want to buy monthly package of 200 gigabytes for 30 days, you use 39.66 USDT to purchase that amount. So right now I want to purchase an airtime, so let me click. I want to purchase an airtime of 50 pesos, so let me click on this. So I have to confirm the top up. I am purchasing 50 pesos of airtime using 0.06 USDT, and the money will be deducted from my spot wallet. You can also switch the wallet. Maybe you have the money in your funding account, you can tap the spot wallet, then you select whether your funding or your spot. But currently funding wallets are not supported, so you have to transfer your money to spot before you can be able to purchase the airtime or the data bundle. After that, you select the cryptocurrency you want the money to be deducted. So you can choose to select the one you want. Currently, I have only USDT, so I'll click on that. After that, I'll click on continue. So I will do a lot of verification to proceed. I just got a message that I have bought the airtime, and it's processing right now. So I have to wait for a few seconds or maybe 2 minutes, and I will receive my airtime. Okay, so the mobile top up is successful, and I have received my airtime. So let me check. Let me go to my Vodafone account and check if. Let me see if I received the airtime. So yes, the airtime has reflected right now because I purchased only 50 pesos. Yeah, so this is a simple way of how you can use your Binance to purchase an airtime or a data bundles in your country. If you are in Ghana or Togo or Burkina Faso or any country in the world, you can use your crypto to buy airtime. So if this tutorial is helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, as we are bringing you new tips and tricks about Binance and how to make money using Binance. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.